Hello, here's a short introduction to the brand new Carlam Cymru app, which offers a very convenient way to get access to revision resources. Firstly, in case some of you haven't heard of Carlam Cymru before, what is it? Well, Carlam Cymru is a collection of revision resources in the form of videos that target students who are studying for the WJC exams at GCSE, AS and A-level. There are videos in a wide range of subjects in both Welsh and English, and the videos are created by experienced teachers from across Wales. As well as the revision videos, which are specific to the courses you're studying at school, there are videos on revision strategies which give you tips on the best techniques for revising. And also there are videos that give advice on how to take care of your health during the exam period and your mental health in particular. So that's really important. And all these resources are absolutely free. The best thing about the app is that you're able to create a personal playlist of the videos that are specific to the courses that you're studying at school. So it's a fantastic way to organise your revision. It's possible that you need access to both Welsh and English resources in some cases. If so, no problem. It's easy to move between the Welsh and English resources on the app. You can toggle between the languages. You can search for videos by level and subject, track your progress by marking that you've started or watched a video, and delete a video from your playlist when you've finished with it and it's no longer required. On the next slide, there's a short video showing how the app works. So you choose your language on that front page, and then you go to create your playlist, and then you choose your level. You choose your subject. A long list of subjects will appear. You choose the one you want to go for first, and then you upload or you load the courses, and the courses for that subject will come up. The most recent ones first, but you can scroll down to access older videos. Then add to playlist. Each one then turns green. Then go back, use the back button top left, and then go to view your playlist, and the videos that you've just added will be there. Okay, and to watch the video you click on the title, the orange coloured title, and then the video appears for you, and away you go. There are resources as well. You can download a printable version of the slides used in the presentation, for example. Then you can track your progress. You can mark things as started or completed. And then if you've finished with the video entirely, then you can delete from the playlist as well. Okay, and as I mentioned before, there are also videos on revision strategies. Each person is individual and will have their own preferences, but these videos give you tips on some of the best ways of effectively revising. And then the well-being videos I also mentioned, really important to take care of your health, in particular your mental health during times of stress such as the exam period. So there we are, that's the Carlam Cymru app. So make the most of this treasure trove of resources that is available through Carlam Cymru. Download the Carlam Cymru app onto your phone today from the App Store or Google Play and create your own personal playlist. Good luck with your revision.